EXIN Cloud Technology Certification for Small Businesses. The EXIN Cloud Technology Certification is a global credential. It proves your cloud computing skills. This certification demonstrates your ability to design, implement, and manage cloud solutions effectively. Why is cloud certification important for small businesses? Cloud technology is vital for small businesses. It streamlines operations, boosts flexibility, and cuts costs. A cloud certification proves to clients and partners you can use the cloud. It can help you attract new customers and improve your reputation. This will drive growth and success. Benefits of EXIN Cloud Technology Certification for Small Businesses. Enhanced skills. The EXIN Cloud Technology Certification will deepen your grasp of cloud technology and its uses. This knowledge can help you. It can optimize your processes, boost productivity, and use resources better. Competitive advantage. In today's market, a cloud certification sets you apart. It shows you are committed to keeping up with tech trends and investing in your growth. Cost savings. Cloud solutions offer cost-effective alternatives to traditional IT infrastructure. Certifying in cloud technology will let you implement low-cost, cutting-edge solutions. They will help you save on IT expenses. How to prepare for the EXIN Cloud Technology exam. To prepare for the EXIN Cloud Technology exam, follow a structured plan. Start with a thorough review of the official syllabus and exam objectives. Use study guides, online courses, and practice exams. CSPO training and certification teach CSPOs to lead agile teams and innovate. They learn to prioritize tasks, make decisions, and collaborate with stakeholders. This helps them deliver high-quality products to market. Conclusion. In conclusion, as a small business owner, you must invest in your tech skills. It's vital to stay competitive in today's fast-paced business world.